So today we are starting our probability part of the course, and first we will recall a few things that you have learned before. In many cases, so we start in basic counting methods today, and first we recall three diagrams, and which you all should be familiar with. And let's consider the situation. We have a box in which we have 5 blue marbles, we have 3 yellow and 2 green, marbles. And we take 2 marbles, and we take marbles without we take marble, we don't put it back. So we're doing it without replacement. So on the first marble we have 3 choices. We can get blue, yellow, green. What the probability of get blue?
5 on 11. No, 5 on 10.
1/2. Yellow 3/10, and green 1/5. Then again blue, yellow, green. Probability of get blue, we have only 4 blue left, so 4 out of 9. Yellow, we still have 3 out of 9, 1/3. Blue, green, we have to get green, we have 2 out of 9. And we do it with each. Next, so blue, yellow, green. We have blue 5 out of 9. Yellow we have 2 out of 9. Green we have 2 out of 9. Green, blue, yellow, green. So we have blue 5 out of 9, yellow we have 1/3, 3 out of 9, and we have green, we have 1 out of 9. So probability then final outcomes, we have blue, 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 yellow, blue, green, yellow, blue, yellow, 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 green, green, blue, green, yellow, green, green. And how we find probability of each outcome? We multiply probabilities on the way to this outcome. So we get here 2 9s. We multiply 1/2 by 4 9s, 1/2 by 1/3, we have 1/6. 1/2 to 9, we have 1/9. Here we have 3, 5, no, 1, 1/2, 1/3, 1/6. So we have 1/3, 1/3. Here we have 1/5, 1/15, I believe. Then we have 1/3, 1/15 as well. Green, blue. Please check after me. If I make some mistake, you tell me. Green, blue, we have 1/9. We have 1/9. Green, yellow, we have 1/15. And we have 1/45. Now, how we can find probability of get 2 marbles of the same color?
BB plus GG plus.
So we need to probability BB plus probability yellow, yellow plus probability green, green. And so we get probability blue, blue, we have 2 9ths. Yellow, yellow, we have 1/15, and green, green, 1/45. So when if we add them, we will get, so 3/45, 10,
14 on 45.
14/45, yes. We'll get 14/45. Now, what we can notice how we can, so that's how we apply tree diagrams to solve the problem, which you should be familiar with. Now, we come into the multiplication and addition principles of counting. Multiplication and addition principles of counting. So, if we can do, let's say, something A, we can do in M ways. We can do B in N ways. So, in how many ways we can do A and B in that order, A, B.
M times N.
M times N. So we can do it in M times N. That's called multiplication principle.
Yeah.
If we do A or B, in how many ways we can do A or
M
B?
plus N.
M plus N. That is addition principle. So let's consider example. Let's consider example, let's say from your booklet. If you open in your booklet page 6, example 7, and we will do it, let's say 7C. That some form solved with a choice of 3 cases. 3 cases, 2 different screens, and 2 different storage capacities. So, how many different
3 times 2 times
phones you can get? 3 times 2 times 2 equals 12 different combinations. Make sense? That are the version of the multiplication principle. Let's consider another example. Let's consider another example. Let's say you have your card, your banking card, and you know that you have a 4-digit PIN code, and you remember that you remember the digits, but you don't remember exactly the order of the digits. So you remember that on the first code it is either 1 or 3 or 5 or 7 at the first. On the second, you remember that it's either 2 or 4 or 6 or 8 on the second digit. Sorry, I a little bit mixed up the question. There are 2 4-digit codes. First code, so it's 2 cards. You know that first card has PIN code, those numbers, don't remember that. You don't remember in which order. Which order. Second card, you remember that PIN code consists of those digits, but you forgot in which order. Question, how many trials you need to do to open your card? How many trials you need to get both of them working? So, for the first place, how many choices we have for the first place here?
4 factorial.
4. How many we have for the second?
3.
We have 3. For the third digit we have 2. For the last one, same with this one.
Many chances by 2.
How many will be all together?
4 factorial is...
We need to add them.
48.
We need to add them.
Times 2.
So we will have 24 plus 24. So you will need to do 48 attempts to unlock both codes. To unlock both codes. Make sense? Okay, that's pretty much all what we're covering today. Yes?
If you said, because before you said when it's A or B, you add them. And when it's A and B, you times.
But you want to find...
Here, we need to get, although that's why we multiply here. That multiplication principle, and we add in, that is addition principle. Okay, like, subscribe, and donate to help fight terrorist countries and organizations like Russia, Hezbollah, Hamas, Iran, and so on. Support Ukraine and Israel.